This one moved all out the way. Refrigerant line disconnected, covered. Rain might be coming. High voltage line disconnected, covered the seal tight so no water gets in there. Same thing with the low voltage wire. They're gonna be changing that low voltage anyway, so. But I was recording the whole time, just strap that up, put that down. I'm worried when I'm falling in somebody's car, but we good. He's swinging, I ain't strapped this one. This one, I don't like the way he's swinging this. Slow down, player. You in a rush. You must not get paid by the hour. Got the indoor coil. Furnace is already down. Took that out. Disconnected the gas line, drain line, refrigerant line, and low voltage. Yeah, so next step is to do these plenums, put the new coil, stuff in, and we're good to go. For this thing to kick on, we just applied power. Let the refrigerant in. Ready to go in there, baby. Nice vacuum pulled in too. That was quick. I knew it was gonna be quick, but I just want to see this bad boy. Come on, come on, come on. So we can make sure there's a proper superheat, subcool, and we out here. Alright, we got live action. Just gonna check this chart. Oh, that chart is good. 13. Let it stabilize. We're gonna see what we're working with today.